Why should you buy brand new home? Here are 4 compelling reasons for you to consider buying brand new home versus a resale. Reason number 4, you get to choose your own upgrades, you get to choose your own floor plan, colors, and everything else to your liking. And you don't have to settle for something that you may not love about the home. Reason number 3, you get brand new home. Just like buying brand new car, you get brand new smell. Nobody lived in this house. It will be all yours. That comes with brand new appliances, and you don't have to worry about anything breaking down. Also, it comes with 1-year warranty by the builder, and most of these new homes are very low maintenance that will save you money on your utilities. Number 2, most of these builders are offering you great incentives to purchase their home, such as low interest rates. I've seen rates as low as 5% if you decide to buy a builder's house. A lot of these builders offer you closing costs and to help you with your closing costs as well. Number 1 is future appreciation. A lot of these communities are brand new in brand new areas. As the city grows, these communities are going to appreciate tremendously, and you get to build wealth throughout buying new homes. Follow me for more tips about real estate, building wealth, Las Vegas real estate, buy, sell, or invest.